Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best solar panels you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best solar panels in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is StoreFront 20-watt solar panel. The StoreFront solar charging efficiency of the upgraded controller is 20 to 30% higher than other controllers on the market. Its intelligent 3-stage charging algorithm design effectively prevents the battery from overcharging, over-discharging, overvoltage, short circuit, etc. It takes no power from the battery. This 20-watt latest upgraded solar module improves conversion efficiency, reduces cells loss, and extends panel life. Excellent performance is also ensured in a low light environment. Using tempered glass, weatherproof film, and aluminum frame for excellent extended outdoor use. Equipped with an adjustable mounting bracket, which can rotate 360 degrees to get the best sunlight reception. Mounting accessories are included for installing solar panels on the ground, wall, and roof, without any extra maintenance. It can be used as a solar battery charger and maintainer for different 12-volt DC batteries, such as wet, gel, MF, EFB, and AGM. A variety of scenarios for RV, car, boat, marine, camper, lawnmower, motorcycle, jet ski, water pump, shed, gate opener, etc. Our second best solar panels is Ring Super Solar Panel. This solar barrel plug connector works exclusively with Ring Spotlight Cam battery and stick-up cam battery. May be used with USB-C input Ring cameras with the Ring barrel plug to USB-C adapter sold separately. Provides non-stop power with a few hours of sunlight every day. Produces up to 2x the power of the original Ring solar panel. Goes anywhere outside with a weather-resistant design. Comes with an adjustable mounting bracket to find your ideal setting. Ring recommends at least 1 to 2 hours of direct sunlight, depending on your usage. Ability to recharge varies based on device settings, motion notifications and sun exposure in the area of placement. Daily output 5 watts depends on the sunlight availability. Basic generator component for 5 volts battery charging for on-grid, off-grid and hybrid power system for home, garden, RV, boat and agriculture. Third pick in our list is Rockpal's foldable solar panel. The Rockpal's RP100 solar panel produces 100 watt 18 volt of power, allowing you to quickly charge most solar generators. Connect 2 solar panels to your power station with a parallel cable for maximum power. Using high-efficiency solar arrays, these solar panels convert up to 23.5% of solar power into free energy, offering a significantly better performance than conventional panels. Comes with a wide variety of cables and connectors to attach to nearly every power station on the market. That is Anderson connector for Jackery Explorer 1000 and Goal Zero power station, 5.5 by 2.1 mm DC jack for Rockpal's 250 watts, 300 watts, 350 watts, 500 watts power stations, Flashfish and GoLab's portable power station, 8 mm DC jack for Jackery Explorer, Bluetti and Anchor power station. In addition to powering solar generators, the RP100 also features USB ports so that you can directly charge your smartphone, tablet and other similar devices. A USB Quick Charge 3.0 port and USB-C output combine to provide charging 4 times faster than the alternatives. Parallel supported. The 4 panels themselves are covered with ETF, which not only helps with conversion but also prevents scratching. Water-resistant outer layer features hanging holes that allow for a quick and easy mount. Position the solar panels with the attached kickstands to get 25% more sunlight than when laying flat. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Renogy 100 watt solar panels. The 100 watt 12 volt monocrystalline solar panel delivers a stable output of an average 500 watt hour of electricity per day depending on sun availability. With its compact solar cell arrangement, this Renogy 100 watt solar panel weighs only 14.1 pounds and is 8 to 10% lighter and smaller than conventional rigid solar panels. All Renogy solar panels are made from 100% gel-tested grade A+ solar cells to provide the highest power conversion efficiency and prolonged lifespan. This 100 watt solar panel is also equipped with PERC cells to deliver an excellent cell efficiency of 22%. Renogy solar panels adapted the newest 9-bus bar cell tech and half cell structure, allowing the full-size solar cell to be cut in half and closely arranged for space usage maximization. Increase the cell receiving surface while reducing current and resistance loss with a thinner ribbon design. This all-weather monocrystalline solar panel can handle snow, rain, and heat for decades with IP65 protection. Renogy uses low iron tempered glass and corrosion-resistant aluminum frames with polyamide corner support to ensure this panel solar can perform and withstand all weather conditions. Last in our best solar panels list is Eco-Worthy 200 watt solar panel. Eco-Worthy solar panels use high-performance monocrystalline solar cells, which can provide up to 21.5% higher efficiency sufficient light conditions. Corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy frame, so that the panel can be used for decades, and can withstand strong wind and snow load, with a long service life. IP65 rated junction box provides complete protection. Daily output 800 watt-hour per day under 4 hours full sunshine condition. Perfect for RV, caravan, marine, camper, electric scooter, golf carts, power wheels, trolling motor, tool trailer, backup power supply for cabin shed home etc. The back of the pre-drilled and plug-and-play cables allow quick installation. The kit can be connected in series 24 volt or parallel 12 volt if you need. What you will get: 2 pieces 100 watt mono solar panel, 2 set of Z mounting brackets plus 30 ampere solar controller plus 1 pair of 16.4 feet 10 AUG solar cables plus 1 pair of 2-in-1 connectors plus 1 pair of 4.92 feet tray cable.